Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a project shared. I've done 6 projects with this brand new release. It's this butterfly kaleidoscope. It's a set of stamps and cutting dies with butterflies and sentiments. There are 27 pieces inside it, and you can see that there are lots of butterflies and lots of sentiments as well. So that's the packaging, and let me show you those stamps. So these are the sentiment stamps. Let me bring them closer so you can see what kind of sentiments we've got. So we've got spread your wings and fly, happy birthday, on your special day, butterfly wishes, chase your dreams, enjoy the little things in life, fluttering by to say hi. I'm sorry. Just for you, thank you, have an amazing day, let's celebrate, hello beautiful. So these are the sentiments. So these are butterflies, and there are quite a few of them. Let me count them. 15 butterflies and sentiments. So I think it's a beautiful set to have if you love butterflies. I know quite a few of you loving butterflies and you can't resist. So this is the packaging. As I said, 27 of them. So let me show you what I created. So I've done a variety of projects just to show that you can create different ones. So this one is a DL with a top fold. It's a landscape orientation, and I just wanted to play with inks, so I use water reactive inks by Spectrum Noir. So this one I think it's a strawberry, this one is orange, and this one is fuchsia, and I use a matte black cardstock to cut 3 butterflies from the set. I stamp the sentiment, and I use white embossing powder, and I heat it up, and I think this one looks really pretty. I really like this one. I haven't done inked background for a while, so I thought it would be nice to do that. So now I'm going to show you this one, which is again a kind of inked background, but this one is 4x6 with a top fold, and I cut the same butterfly twice, and I created this background by inking my messy mat. Then I spritz it with water, and I dabbed the paper and then dried it off and matte and layered it. And I think this one is very simple, but it has something different going on. It's not like I use pattern papers and stuff, so I really like that one as well. And then which one have I done? I think it was this one. This one is a gatefold, and of course cut some butterflies, and I really wanted to use pattern paper just to show that you can use any papers you have in your stash. Match it on black matte black card by Crafter's Companion as well. The sentiment is here, and for this one it's the same butterfly as on this card, but what I did, I cut it one more time, and I cut the center, and I just glue it on top of this one just to give more color to this bigger butterfly. So, and inside just a simple mats and layers. And then I really wanted to do something like lots of butterflies flying around. So this one is 5x7 card. I really wanted to go for pinks and greens. I think it looks really nice, summery spring colors. And I emboss one panel. You know that I love using that slim panel just to give interest to my cards. And of course I cut 2 circles and lots of different butterflies in pink and green. And I added a little bit of glitter glue in the center. I think I use this one. This one is Iris by Crafter's Companion. Love using glitter glue, and it was actually a set of 3 glitter glues. So Winter Sky, and I've got another one which is called Lavender Dreams. So these are from Crafter's Companion as well. So that's another card. And then because I was doing those very late at night, after midnight, it was already after midnight, and I was falling asleep. And because I just after recording this video, I have to run quickly to the post office and post them off. So I created another 2 because I needed to do 6. So I created very quickly another 2 in 4 by 6. This one I really like because it has this pink mat, and then I cut a strip of paper from this new paper pad. Can I show you which one? So it's this one. I think that was together with those dies from Cheers or something collection. I can't remember exactly, but I used this paper pad like this, those strips, and I added another black, very thin black strip, and then I already had, because I cut a lot of black ones, I already had those 2 butterflies, so I thought let me stick them on, stamped quickly just for you, sentiment here, and some gems, silver gems. I think they look really nice with black, like on this one as well. So that was very quick card, very quick one. And I really wanted to do some spring colors, pastel colors, like a little bit for Easter, because previous month I was working with the Easter collection, so I thought I really love those colors. So this is a luxury cardstock from Hydrangea collection, luxury linen card, and I really love those colors from this and this set. So of course I used 2 different butterflies, as you can see, this one and that one, and I cut them in purple and pink, and that mint green looks really pretty. I hope you like this one. I think this one is my favorite, and those 2, I think those 3 are my favorites. I really like the inky background as well, and I think this one is nice because it's really nice and vivid, although I love the pastel colors as well. So these are my 6 projects made with this beautiful butterfly kaleidoscope a stamp and die set. If you can let me know which one is your favorite. Maybe, oh, I forgot to tell you that I didn't actually use any die to cut this. I just draw a line with a pencil and then cut this, and then line another. Actually, I put that mint green sheet underneath, draw another line, and just kind of made it work for me. And I really like this card because it has this nice pink inside, and it looks very pretty. And you can make this card in just a few minutes. I think it's such a quick and easy card together with that one, and I had to work really fast. So let me know if you can, which one is your favorite card, or what do you think about this collection. Do you like working with butterflies? And yes, I will see you in my next video because I need to dash to that post office. So bye for now.